Hello, welcome to Hot in the Kitchen with me, Romeo. On this episode, I will show you how I make air-fried marinated chicken wings. My ingredients include 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 5 patted dry chicken wings. Pour the dry ingredients into a Ziploc bag. Ziploc the bag and mix the dry ingredients thoroughly. And then add the olive oil. Ziploc the bag again and mix the ingredients thoroughly. Add the chicken wings. Expel as much air from the bag and ziploc the bag. Move the chicken wings around for thorough coating. And set aside in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Spray the air fryer grill with a non-stick cooking oil and then load the marinated chicken wings. Insert the basket into the air fryer. Set the temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 minutes. If you care to use the remaining marinade as a sauce, add some water to the bag and reduce overheat. After 10 minutes, flip the chicken wings over. And cook for 10 more minutes. Ta-da! Hassle-free, finger-licking good, air-fried chicken wings. The flavor is quite complex with a slight kick. Try my technique and you just might like it. Please make comments, suggestions, or questions if you have any. And please click on like and or subscribe. Thank you for watching.